X11 PicassoTab, draw anywhere, slay everywhere. No computer, no limits, no excuses. Ready to ditch clunky setups and unleash your inner art beast anywhere? Meet the X11 PicassoTab, the standalone 11-inch digital drawing tablet that laughs in the face of "you need a computer" rules. With a buttery-smooth Full HD display, mind-blowing palm rejection tech, and 4096 levels of pressure precision, this tablet turns your wildest creative ideas into professional-grade art without breaking a sweat. Preloaded with killer apps like Concepts, Infinite Painter, and Flipaclip, you'll create like a seasoned pro from day one. No chords, no drama, just pure unfiltered you. Compared to every other starter tablet out there, the X11 isn't playing fair, it's playing to win. No computer connection needed, no mystery app downloads required. Just power up and dive headfirst into a sea of creativity, tutorials, and pro tools already installed. The laminated anti-glare screen feels like real paper under your stylus, and the Artixo tutorials, VIP upgrade included, literally hold your hand into becoming the next digital Picasso. Newbie friendly? Check. Pro potential? Double check. It's like art school, without the soul-crushing student loans. Saving money, time, and sanity? Oh, you bet. Why blow cash on a tablet that still needs a $1,000 computer to work? The X11 is your all-in-one art studio, loaded with 6GB RAM, a beefy 128GB drive, and an octa-core CPU ready to tackle art, Netflix, and your urgent TikTok breaks. Plus, it ships with everything: Picasso pen, case, glove, screen protector, you name it. Translation? No surprise expenses. No, oh, you need to buy this extra drama. You pay once, you slay forever. Quality? Durability? This thing's tougher than your childhood dreams of being an astronaut. The X11's laminated screen minimizes parallax so your strokes land exactly where your brain wants them. Palm rejection is real, your wrist can relax without accidentally smearing your masterpiece. The tablet's build feels premium, the performance is snappy, and its Android backbone lets you dive into millions of apps, games, and creative goodies. Compared to others? The X11 is basically riding a Tesla while everyone else is pedaling a tricycle. If you're serious about becoming a digital art legend, or just flexing on your friends, the X11 PicassoTab is your secret weapon. Portable, powerful, idiot-proof, and crazy affordable, it's basically an entire art universe you can stuff into your backpack. Create, animate, stream, learn, wherever, whenever. So the real question is, are you going to keep thinking about it, or are you going to start creating greatness today?